Pyro Yacht Productions.
Pyro, how do we do? Pyro, how to?
This week brought to you by a spooky blanket.
Oh, hey ladies and gentlemen, I'm Dustin, the man of many skills, LeVake, here with another Pyro how-to. This week, we're going to be covering plumbing. Here's a list of things that we need. So what we have here is a broken toilet situation. The water line that's going into the toilet is plugged, and so I need to come up with a little thing to make water go from the sink into the toilet. So there's the existing toilet. See how the water's on and not doing anything? There's no water there. It's not coming out into the toilet when you flush it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a water line and put it from under here. You probably can't see that, but it's under there, and over to over here, and you're gonna see that process very soon here. Alright, so here's what we got here. We gotta disconnect the water hose in order to make the proper switch to fix the toilet. And then here's what we're looking at with a little bit of lighting, just so you know what's going on. See, up there is where the water hose connects into the sink. Now, I'm going to disconnect that, and then I'm going to go ahead and do a couple little things to fix it and make it so I can have water into two things. Alright, so I'm disconnecting the water hose now, just so I can go ahead and do all the stuff that I need to.
Fuck! Damn it! Ow.
Always make sure you have your water turned off, and this won't happen to you. That's Alright, now that we have the water turned off, we can go ahead and disconnect the line. Come on. What the fuck? Got it. Yeah. So this is what, oh shit. So the water line's still running a little bit. It's like I'm gonna have to do something else with this thing. Okay, now we finally got the line apart without the water on, and it's not leaking at all. So here we can start working on it and get things going to fix the toilet. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these pieces and these other ones and put them together to make a thing to do so the water can move in other directions than the way it was before. And when you do that, you want to put these together, and it makes like a it's called a fixture. So the T-fixture, I think I don't know. It's definitely something, and it's used for water. You put in, yeah. I was told you gotta put this stuff on it too. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and put the. Get all over the fucking place. Is this even how much I'm supposed to put on, or? Okay. Just like that. Yeah. Yeah, and we're doing it. See, this is how you do it. And I don't even need any wrenches or anything. My hands are like vice grips. That's what the ladies tell me. So I'm gonna go ahead and do another one. I'm gonna put that in there, and I'm gonna I'm gonna put some of this on there. It's getting all over the place. They didn't tell me it was messy. Stop dripping! It's all over my hands. Okay, back to screwing things together now. Yeah. Sometimes it's better to grab a rag or something like this and get a little more grip on it. Never gonna leak now. Never. But never. Okay, I got like one more to do. Because this is Pyro. Fucking stop dripping, you fucking liquid. Son of a bitch. It's all over my pants. Come. There you go. Fucking tea fixture. Cocksucker. It's all over. Ta-da! And this is what it looks like when it's done. See, now I can put water in here and it comes out here and here to other directions and stuff. Oh, that towel has pube on it. It's not even my towel. Okay, now that we got our tea fixture all put together, we're gonna go ahead and put this in here and tighten it down. That way the water's connected and we can start the process even better. I'm gonna put more of this stuff on there. I don't even know what it is. Something silver. I think it's like liquid duct tape. Could be. Don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure it's good stuff. It's all over my hands again. And another pube. What the fuck? Where are all these pubes coming from? And another pube? Come on! Somebody playing a joke on me? Alright, now that we got this tightened down, we can go ahead and put some other lines on. And then reconnect the faucet up there. And hopefully everything works out right. And we got running water up there. And I'll go ahead and check to turn the water on. Okay, yet again, I'm gonna go ahead and put this gray fucking stupid shit on there. And I don't even know what it's for. But I was told that it's good stuff. And it works and stuff. Tighten this down now. Pretty sure that's tight. Yep, that's tight as tight. Let's get, oh shit, more water. Oh, apparently there's more water in there than I thought there was. Now I can go ahead and connect this to the faucet and then we can turn on the water. Motherfucker. God damn it. Sometimes it can be pretty hard to get things together. Oh yeah, now it's finally back together. Now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna yell to my assistant out there to turn the water back on, and we're gonna see if we have water coming to the faucet. Alright, go ahead and turn it on! Okay! Turn it off! Turn it off! Okay! Apparently you gotta connect another line to this to go into the toilet. And I forgot about that, but it's no problem. Gotta go ahead and do that. Fucking, god damn it. Just putting all these pubes in here. See, now I've got the line coming out right there. And then that's gonna bring water to the toilet. Alright, so all that's left that we gotta do is connect this hose into the toilet, and I call it a day. You gotta be kidding me. It's not even the same size. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I think I finally got it. I think this is the last part that I need. So we're gonna go ahead and put this all together and go ahead and try and turn on the water then. And then hopefully we got running water in the toilet. Alright. Yes! I think we got it. I think it's all ready to be turned on and ready to be used. Well, let's see the moment of truth. I'm gonna go turn it on and see if she works. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the water's all plugged in now, and it's all good to go. Let's see if we got a little water here. Oh, look at that. We got water. How about any leaks? Huh? Oh, no, it doesn't look like any leaks. How about from there? No, no leaks. We did a pretty good job today. One last thing we gotta check. Oh yeah, and the water did fill up the back of the toilet bowl. And we're all good to go. We fixed the toilet, and this is a pretty good job. Well, thanks everybody for tuning in. Next time, we're gonna go ahead and find out how to fix an oil filter. And thank you, and I'll see you next time.
What a wonderful video that was. Don't you think they liked it?
That was amazing.
Truly.
I am truly.
Yeah. So if you like that, why don't you click right here to subscribe? And if you want to see more videos, click right down here and check out our Facebook.